sa amin, bawal kasi mga nurse sa...
Ako. Bawal mga nurse po.
Oo nga.
Tangin naman frontliner. Ito lang i-vlog mo lang dito. Tinutulungan ni Inigo yung maglalupit. Pag ano. Sabi mo, bayani ako.
Okay, so this is the new house of Erickson. Yeah, the new Filipino guy. And yeah, they bought something from other house.
Seryoso ako. Buwan ako ng film. Tubig na to, Robby. Alam mo kung dahilan yan, bakit may tubig ako dyan?
Pangagustang puwet.
Hindi, sa mga kuwala. Hindi, pakita mo, bakit kaya may tubig dito? Totoo.
This when Nick is going to the toilet, use that not not the toilet paper.
No, sabihin mo yung sa mga kuwala.
Yeah, Inigo said this one is for the koala,
Just in case.
just in case.
Totoo yun, men, para sa mga... Oo, may mga nauuhaw na kuwala, bro.
Takot yun eh, tatakbo na yun pag nakakita ka eh.
7:30 uwi na ako. Ang bus 8:30. Sabi ko lakari ko lahat. Ako tagaligtas na nga yun.
We are in KFC. And you can see there is this. Yeah. And it says here that you can still dine out on KFC, you just can't dine in. Thank you for your understanding. Even outside is closed. And as you can see, a lot of people there outside. I mean, they are on their car going for the drive-thru.
Kasi pag may ganun, may...
Look at that.
Dalawa yun sa'yo, dalawang burger.
May okay lang, yun lang akin.
Dalawa sa'yo.
Isa lang.
Dalawa nga sa'yo.
Isa lang, men. Ang problema na ito, mabibilaukan tayo na ito.
Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. This is my first time in this place. I didn't know this place. It's a Hulbert Oyster Farm. Yeah, I didn't know this place. This is my first time to be here. Yeah, this is Hulbert Oyster. Our oyster is actually coming from this Hulbert's oyster. And yeah, in the water I saw many something like a wood. That is where they farm the oyster. And now there are many people this time.
Lounge yun ng mga...
We are going inside here. Yeah, there are also some people walking. This is the first time of Erickson to come here with us. And Inigo knows this place very well. He said he come here before. Been walking around 600 meters already, coming from Barry Park, and this is how it is here. And it's still going up. The sun is sitting down there. Yeah, that one is a little scary. We're going to have a look. It's a cliff. Whoa, look at that. And if you have a look in there, there is one guy who is fishing. And you know, this place is similar to the one that I've seen, but it's actually on the other side where, you know, if you remember the video where I've seen kids and they caught a baby shark. They're going, where are they now? This is not cliff.
Huh?
This is not cliff. Very safe.
It's really deep. You see that? Hi.
Nakahuli oh. Oh, he is able to catch a fish. Yeah, legit size. Size like this shoes. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it's very windy outside. This looks good. Yeah, I'll be having this. I promised to myself that I'm not going to eat this anymore, but it's really addicting. Addictive. Yeah. Yeah, it's already, what time is it? It's already 11:16. Yeah, I wake up this morning at around 5 o'clock. I had a coffee and yeah, I was just on my computer and editing some video and will be uploading a little bit later. Yesterday I wake up on my laundry. It's drying and one is down there. My underwear is on the ground, on the grass. Yeah, yesterday I wake up really early. I watched the sunrise and I meet Mr. Ben. Oh, Mr. Ben, thank you very much for watching the video. And to your kids, I really appreciate. And then in the afternoon, I meet the family of Mike. Yeah, I was not expecting people to be, you know, Mike is a lawyer. Amazing. Yeah, thank you for coming. I really appreciate. Overwhelming. You know, I was not expecting that there are some lawyers that is actually watching my video. Yeah, thank you very much. And in the afternoon we went to the, yeah, we tour the new Filipino guy. Yeah, we tour him around the area. We eat in the restaurant. We help him moving to his new place. He has new apartment, 1 bedroom. I think he's renting 270 I think, or 260. Yeah, and then later on this afternoon, maybe we are again going to help him because he is actually buying things like furniture from, yeah, from the neighborhood that they found in the Facebook marketplace. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are here in the Albura Marina. And at the moment I stop here because I've seen this so many kukatu. And they're very noisy. They're having like a party somewhere here. And I saw one on that side. He's drinking Red Bull. Amazing. Yeah, I want to get closer but they fly away. Yeah, look at that. They are having a feast. Amazing. And those what's that? Ibis. Those ibis bird. They are yeah, in line in there. Look at this. Some are fighting or playing. Look at this, tumbling. These two, they are partner. You know, it's so good to be just being here under the sun. Yeah, because you know the wind is really cold, but it's still manageable. Be uncomfortable if you're not wearing something like a sweater or jacket. There are some people, they are fishing on the breakwater. Some are inside, like that guy, and there's one here. You know that two fishing guy, I think they are yeah, Chef Alessandro and the girlfriend. I am not really sure. Just last night I saw again that they are able to catch really big fish this much. Yeah, Chef Alessandro is professional. There's not so much people this time. Actually, only Chef Alessandro and some guys in there. Is what I'm saying. Because it is very cold. I don't know the temperature. Let's have a look. What is the temperature this time? By the moon and the stars in the sky. It's 13 degrees centigrade. No, it's 15. They are actually not Chef Alessandro. It's other people. Okay, we go. Oh, yesterday we went to that apartment. Yeah, because that is where Erickson is living now. Erickson is the new guy, if you remember. I mentioned to you before, the one that he don't want to be in the video. Yeah, he now living there. We went there yesterday because we brought the appliances that he brought from different houses here in Nelson Bay area. I am actually expecting Inigo to call me later on, because yeah, we are again going to pick up like a sala set from other house to bring in the house of Erickson, and then we are going to a barbecue party. Yeah, something outdoors later. It was organized by Kurt and Inigo and some other friends. I'm actually shy to be in the gatherings like that because there are so many people that I don't know, and you know, I'm not comfortable. Yeah, but I will do my best to be comfortable with them. Okay, that's it for today. We are going now to the grocery. We buy something I don't know yet. Yeah. You know, it's been around 2 weeks that I have never been inside this grocery. I am going to take two of these. Yeah, for the barbecue party later. This is actually $6.50. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah. We are also going to take yeah, this. Look at that. This time this is 50% off. This is the creamy chicken. We're going to take two. Yeah, there is always a 50% discount here. We're looking for something like air freshener. They have different kind in here. There's something like electronics in here, but it's expensive. It's $11 and it lasts for 100 days. Yeah, there are some refill here. They are $9.99, and some are something like this, like yeah. And some are like candles, $6, and some are like this, essential oil. I had this before. Yeah, but it only smells when you are near to it. Also, I tried this before. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to try this one, the electric one. This one. It's $10.50. And we are going to take one of this. Yeah, if you remember this one, this one is good for instant or quick soup. That is $3.85. We are again going to take one of this. This is $2.50. Yeah, chicken cubes.
To finalize your payment. Please take your receipt.
And the same like the usual, I have everything in my backpack. But before going home, we are going first to the Asian store. We're going to buy pork crackling and mungo beans. You can see that's the Woolworth, and the Asian store is actually just straight there. Every town here in Australia, big or small, yeah, they always have a town center like this with almost everything. There is even a fast food or restaurant or the grocery that you're also going to see in the cities. In the Philippines, mostly they are in the city. I hope this is open. Yes, they are. And this is I'm also going to take one of these. Yeah, just these two.